These fresh banana leaves are harvested as the primary raw material for eco-friendly tableware. Each leaf is inspected early to ensure only high-quality material enters the factory process. Trimming removes uneven edges to prepare the leaves for consistent industrial processing.
Automated checks confirm each batch meets strict size and weight standards. Prepared leaf pallets are now secured for safe transfer to the processing plant.
Leaves are transferred internally to maintain freshness and contamination control. The receiving dock logs and organizes all incoming banana leaf material. Each pallet is digitally logged to ensure full traceability through the process. Controlled holding conditions preserve leaf quality before cleaning begins. The washing line begins with controlled feeding to protect leaf structure. This initial rinse removes surface dirt and loose organic debris. Rotary brushes clean the leaves thoroughly while preserving their natural strength. Focused jets ensure even the leaf edges are completely cleaned. Filtered recirculation reduces water use while maintaining hygiene standards. This sanitizing rinse prepares the leaves for safe food contact use. Air knives remove moisture quickly without damaging the leaves. Vision systems verify that every leaf meets strict cleanliness requirements. Only approved leaves move forward, while defects are automatically removed. This buffer line stabilizes flow before shaping begins. Conditioning makes the leaves flexible enough for precise shaping. Carefully controlled air and humidity prepare leaves for molding. Moisture levels are equalized to ensure uniform forming results. Precise alignment ensures consistent shape during pressing. Temperature checks confirm the leaves are ready for shaping.
Leaves are now positioned for entry into the forming press.
The forming press heats the molds to shape the leaves accurately. Each leaf is carefully placed to match the mold geometry. Heat and pressure transform the leaf into a durable shape. The press opens to release a newly shaped leaf product. Robotic handling removes the product without damaging its structure. Cooling stabilizes the shape immediately after forming. Controlled airflow cools the products evenly and efficiently. This short hold time locks the final shape into place. Products are aligned for clean and uniform edge trimming. Automated trimming ensures consistent edges on every piece.
Trimmed material is captured cleanly for organic waste handling.
Post-trim inspection confirms smooth edges and structural integrity. Only products that meet quality standards move forward. Secondary heat treatment increases strength and longevity. Gradual cooling preserves strength after heat treatment. Moisture checks ensure the products are stable. 18% products are stable and safe for use. Laser scanning verifies every product meets exact dimensional standards. Random checks add an extra layer of quality assurance. Approved items return to the line for final preparation. Air polishing gives each piece a clean, natural finish. Final visual checks confirm each product meets presentation standards. Automated counters track every piece before packaging. Products are grouped into exact quantities for packaging. Staging prepares each batch for secure packaging. Packaging materials are prepared and synchronized with the product flow. Automated insertion protects the products during handling and transport. Each sleeve is securely sealed to protect the contents. Seal checks ensure every package is fully closed and secure. Secondary cartons are formed to protect products during bulk handling. Packaged products are carefully loaded into protective cartons. Sensors confirm every carton contains the correct quantity. Cartons are aligned and prepared for final closure. Automated sealing secures each carton for transport. A short curing period ensures strong, reliable carton seals. Generic labels provide handling information without branding. We are verifying that each carton is correctly labeled. Weight checks confirm every carton meets specification. Cartons are organized and oriented for efficient palletizing. The palletizing robot prepares to stack finished cartons. The robot lifts multiple cartons at once for precise stacking. The first pallet layer is placed with exact alignment. Interlayer sheets add strength and stability between pallet layers. Cross-stacked layers improve pallet strength during transport. The pallet is completed with uniform stacking and stability. A top cap protects the pallet during handling and storage. Stretch wrapping secures the entire pallet load. Multiple film layers lock the pallet into a single stable unit. The wrap is cut and sealed to complete pallet stabilization. Each pallet receives an identification tag for tracking and handling. The finished pallet moves towards storage and distribution. The pallet is transferred by automated vehicles to storage areas. Automated transport keeps pallets moving efficiently and safely. Finished pallets are stored securely until distribution. Inventory systems track every pallet in real time. When an order is placed, the warehouse releases the pallet. The system retrieves the exact pallet needed for shipment. The pallet travels autonomously to the shipping zone. Pallets are staged in the shipping area before final dispatch. Final scans confirm the pallet is cleared for shipment. The loading dock is prepared for outbound transfer. The dock leveler creates a safe path for pallet loading. A forklift moves in to handle the outbound pallet.
The pallet is lifted carefully to maintain load stability.
The pallet is transported carefully toward the loading dock. The forklift moves steadily across the dock leveler into the loading area.
The pallet is placed securely inside the transport vehicle.
Load restraints secure the pallet for safe transportation.
The transport vehicle is sealed and ready for departure.
The shipment leaves the facility for final distribution.
The shipment moves through the distribution network toward its destination.
The shipment arrives at a regional distribution warehouse. The vehicle aligns precisely at the receiving dock. The receiving dock opens to begin unloading. The dock leveler prepares the vehicle for safe unloading.
The pallet is ready to be unloaded at the distribution center.
The pallet is removed smoothly from the vehicle for receiving. The pallet enters the receiving area for inbound processing. Incoming pallets are inspected and logged at the distribution center. The pallet is staged for last-mile distribution. A retail dispatch order releases the pallet for final delivery. The pallet is retrieved for final delivery to retail locations. The pallet moves toward the dock for retail delivery. The retail delivery vehicle aligns at the dock for loading. The dock leveler prepares the path for retail loading. The pallet is loaded for final delivery to retail locations.
The load is secured to ensure safe retail transport. The retail vehicle is sealed and ready to depart.
The shipment begins its final journey to retail locations.
The delivery vehicle navigates the final urban distribution route.
The shipment reaches the retail store's receiving area.
The retail receiving dock opens to begin unloading.
The pallet is unloaded into the retail store receiving area.
Products are prepared in the back room for retail shelf placement.
The products are placed on shelves, ready for customers.
From harvested leaf to store shelf, the eco-friendly process is complete.